Hello ladies, my name is Miss K. Today I am going to demonstrate to you how I create a foxhawk pixie cut with waves. So after cutting the shape, I am now molding the hair with finger waves. So now that the hair is dry, I am going to use some Chi Silkening Serum on the hair, so that I can get a smooth glide when I'm using my irons. And also it glosses the hair as well. I'm picking through the waves so that I can loosen them up. Well, now it's time to curl. I'm going to build my foundation with a couple of curls first before I start freestyling and following my wave pattern. If I do not see you guys before the Thanksgiving, or if I don't see you before next year, enjoy your holidays. Subscribe please to my channel so that I can, so that you guys can keep on seeing the demonstration of, see me demonstrate different hairstyles, which is the services that I offer in my salon. You can book me on Styleseat. That's Miss K is here on Styleseat. That's HAIR as here. Miss K is here on Styleseat. I look forward to seeing you beautiful ladies. Again, enjoy your holidays. I'm going to speed up the video. Bye.